let's hit the open mics.
All right, this one comes to us from a very pleasant gentleman.
Hey, Larry, John from Merritt Island. I just have a quick question that's always confused me. How do you determine fuel and oil ratios on a two-cycle engine if there's no other information out there available for it? What does 50 to 1 actually mean in the real world, or 40 to 1 in the real world? I appreciate it.
Oh, geez. Don't make me do math. All right. I think for 5 gallons, now this is what I've always mixed, and this is 50 to 1. With AMSOIL, I don't use any other two-stroke oil. You know, I really need to mention this. This is something I think a lot of folks might benefit from. You know, and a few of us still use two-stroke stuff. And if you run the AMSOIL two-stroke oil in any engine, it will last indefinitely. It'll never wear out. And I'm not kidding. You can't wear it out. It's impossible to wear it out. And let me explain why. Number one, it being made from a polyalpha olefin, which is irradiated plastics, basically, and ester synthetic. What happens is, on a two-stroke engine, you know, the oil is actually mixed with the gas. So you've got an engine that's getting brand new, not recycled, brand new oil every time it sucks gas and oil into the cylinder. So, you know, you're getting the best. Now, what causes a two-stroke engine to fail is a loss of compression. And everybody says, well, how does it lose compression? It loses compression because of carbon that is left behind from the lousy two-stroke oil that you're using. That's how you develop the carbon to score the cylinders and cause them to lose compression. So technically, you're getting brand new oil every stroke. Well, if you can eliminate the carbon issue that will score a cylinder and cause the compression loss, well, the engine will run forever. And that's what you accomplish when you run the AMSOIL two-stroke oil, whether it be in an outboard engine or whether it be in lawn equipment. No matter what, it will actually it will literally run indefinitely. You can't wear them out. You may have to replace a carburetor and spark plugs and all the other stuff, but you'll never wear that motor out because you're not going to develop carbon, because AMSOIL is impossible to turn to carbon. You're not going to turn it to carbon, not only in their two-stroke, but you're not going to turn it into carbon inside of an internal combustion engine, a four-stroke engine like in your car either. So, you know, it's just it's a fountain of youth, not only for your automobile, for any two-stroke as well. My deal is I have a rule of thumb. I use the AMSOIL 100 to 1 premix, but I run it 50 to 1 in my two-stroke applications. And the science behind my math is 13.5 ounces in 5 gallons. And now you can cut that in half and do it for the 6 gallons, but 13.5 ounces of the AMSOIL 100 to 1 two-stroke mixed 50 to 1 is in 5 gallons, 13.5 ounces. And that'll put you right where you need to be. And actually, it's a little bit on the heavy side, as far as the oil goes itself. But it'll work perfect, and you'll have maximum engine protection. And like I said, it'll last forever. But you got to use the AMSOIL. Don't use this stuff that you're going to buy at your local hardware store unless it says AMSOIL on it. But I think a lot of your Ace Hardware sell the AMSOIL two-stroke as well. So good luck with that.